Hello guys, welcome to Ultimate Gaming.
Today we are gonna do Granny Chapter 2 Boat Escape. We've been trying to do this like past 3 times, but we didn't have enough time to do it.
Yeah.
It's summer season, that's why we are on the fan. Wait, did summer season start?
Yeah. Think so.
I don't know. I think it's from April only. No? Oh, Granny, kidaro? She is searching Granny, Granny. Bro, which character are we in Granny then?
I don't know.
We are us, of course.
No,
We are
something here. Nothing.
Nothing.
So go up.
Is Granny there? No. This is the
Weapon
first
key?
thing we should always open if it is a tutorial.
Duct tape. Is she coming from there? No, I thought she came.
Go to the next rooms and learn and research. Boat key. Okay, cool. Boom.
Fall, no?
She might come from this way, bro. Run. I mean, go where the orange army. Go, open this.
She's there.
Yeah, I saw the stick. I saw the baseball stick. I think Granny used to be in the international baseball team, no?
Think so.
We knocked it in this floor. A microwave. She's coming, bro. No, she's not.
I want weapon key.
Piece of picture. Okay, Dubaku.
Weapon key, please.
No.
Padlock key?
Okay, take.
Oh!
No.
Oh.
This is the first time we died in all of these seasons. No? Only
Yeah.
once we died. in all
Oh
of
my
these.
god, it was like heart attack.
Yeah, exactly, bro. It's like real life. Bro. If you put it with full volume, it's with full volume. I don't know why volume is not coming only, no?
Ah.
Bro, but if you put with full volume, you'll like heart attack. and
Headphones with that
Oh.
quality sound.
Oh my goodness! In our friend's house, Ishan, in his home, we put it with the speaker around us. There's like boo.
No,
What happened?
she'll come now.
How do you know? You made a lot of noise.
I made noise. She'll come.
She might come from back also. Yeah, this is the perfect way. I don't think she's coming. Stephanie boy. Okay, she might be right there. Because usually she'll take a lot of time to come, no?
She's somewhere here. Can hear her sound. First we'll open this one.
For our grand escape.
Weapon key, no, please. Here. No. Weapon
Here.
key. Stun gun.
Okay,
Oh,
this
yeah.
much is enough. This much is enough for us. And just go shoot and do our job, okay? Granny, no care. Bro, open the corner shelf.
Later on we'll see afterwards. First we should kill her.
Boom, Granny,
I
come
know.
ho. Oh, there is noise.
And then what? Come.
Granny.
Helicopter manual, which is waste.
Just
But
pick it
okay.
up something. We can at least have an helicopter tagline on our head, no? So she might come.
No. She won't hear the song and she won't come only.
Most of the time, whenever we play the song, she won't even come, no?
Mm.
Hey,
Hello, Granny. Ah, she came. See.
Hey!
See
मेरा दोस्त shoot
Bad side shot.
मेरा बड़ा दोस्त
Ah, you go. Now I'll drop
bro
this here.
reload it and drop it
Nah.
hey bhai who are you
Here's something might be. Paul, no. Okay.
Yeah,
Go into the
security
room.
key is down.
I
Security key.
know.
Sakuruti you do not open you opened all of this doom
Piece of picture is there.
piece of picture Okay, where is weapon key? Oh, she put a trap. What will happen if you stamp on the trap? We open this.
It will get loud. Then what else will happen? Security
I think
key.
we'll take security. Hey, you did not open the rest of those things. We ran because there were noise. Bro, you did not open the rest of those shelves inside.
Which shelves? Oh yeah.
Yeah, no, because we ran because we made a lot of noise. Please, weapon key in the first. No. We found what inside? What is that?
Which one? This one, security key.
No. Inside that shelf, we found one thing.
What are you telling? In which shelf?
Down.
Down there is no shelf. Security.
Not this type. Oh,
door handle.
It looked like weapon key for me.
Top it might be. Top is our final place.
No other place in this world will have such a fantasy.
Please. Weapon key.
Yes, at
First
last.
we'll go and
by-
unlock a weapon.
Last by at last. Oh yeah. This is still open, bro.
What we'll do?
Must reload this. In case for our top floor shotgun, no? Bro, you did not even pick up the keys.
La. No. I'll just drop this here.
Here in the hall.
Bro.
Main hall. Bro, she might come by the noise. Oh yeah, she's dead anyways. She's dead right here. Rip. Granny.
Ayyo, take now. What is the problem?
Granny, what? 2021 to 2021. Then next minute, she is alive again.
Whoa. She's there only. She came in
How?
search.
So. See? Bro, I want to see. Where is she?
Oh, she'll come.
I want to see where she is.
Hello, Granny. Are you
Are
there?
you sure you saw her?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I am 100% sure she's there only. Drop means?
Brony.
Are you there?
She might be behind you, bro.
Oh,
Heart attack. Yes, 2 minutes and 30 seconds, bro. 2 minutes and 30 seconds we have.
that is nothing.
What do you mean? Sometimes it'll shoot for 3 minutes also.
Now we need ammo.
Correctly when it told ammo was right in your face.
What we'll do is we'll take wrench. We'll go kill that fellow.
Chotu.
Chotu. तुम्हारा
छोटू
बहुत
बेटा।
बहुत.
छोटू
Where is he? Chotu. Hello. Today you are going to die. Understand? Piece of picture. Okay. So now we should okay, we did not find this place where that bedroom, that small area is there. Oh, Chotu came out today. I'll try hitting him. Hello.
give them
Hey, hello.
yeah where is ammo
Where is the ammo?
అయ్యో
Safe key.
నువ్వు రన్నవే Granny.
Grandma.
Please no granny. Please no granny.
No granny. Oh, you found the safe key. Oh, bhai, super.
He killed the
I
pet. also.
killed the pet. I got this thing.
Safe key.
Twing.
She shouldn't be there, bro. See back.
Twing. Now go, I think.
I think
Crowbar.
Yes. We should find spark plug or something here, no?
No.
We found boat key and then we have so much progress.
You open the.
No, she'll come from there. Noise.
She can open doors. I've never seen her open doors. Does she like literally put her hand and open it?
Nah, she'll just push it and she'll come.
Door rage, not road rage.
think so we'll go from here.
Yeah.
There.
Now what is here?
Please.
Cutting pliers.
Yo.
every time we get there only cutting plants. So
Oh,
It might
that
go.
was OP. Right? That was.
Shit.
You should go down, bro.
What we'll do?
You just push the table. She can hear it. Oh my god.
Real heart attack.
Go into the room. Hi, go.
Hello, I'm here. Let that Munde come. I'll go.
Mundeshwar.
I'll go directly
Under
down.
the bed, please.
Nah.
Bro.
Go first.
She can't come down to that
No.
area.
She cannot.
Yeah, just go down to the first floor. I mean ground floor.
She might come from here.
Oh,
Timing.
How is she so intelligent, no? How is she so intelligent, even I don't know.
Oh my god, one more heart attack.
Our friend Ishan came. We're doing a video on Granny.
Spark plug.
Spark plug, yes. We're doing boat escape. We finished helicopter, we finished door.
She just
Okay,
came.
2 minutes. I'm AFK again.
What is here? I need padlock key. Okay, spark plug, gasoline and all. I did not find spark plug. I got. Now I should go fast. Rani, please don't come.
Whose phone is it? Grandfather.
Grandfather's phone, granny's phone. Nice.
Skip that. X.
Nice.
Ad for. Is it recording now?
Yeah.
Did you die?
No, yeah.
Yeah.
For sure.
It's so short. This is even shorter than mine, huh? Is it like the nursery chairs? That is like full technology nursery chair.
Are you still on the video?
Yeah.
I got some lemonade for us.
Lemonade.
Stun
Actually, not
gun.
lemon. Stun gun. Hey bro, we already found it.
Yeah, why did you bring calcium hydroxide in with some H2O?
Hey, be quiet.
No, that is a scientific.
Oi, granny. Till this time you are making me joke no here.
Currently, I came early.
Why? Oh, lemonade. Yeah, actually.
Now please, that Chotu should be died till now.
Died.
I
Bro,
mean,
hide
death.
under a bed, bro. We need lemonade break.
Ah.
No,
Go
again.
on. Our stun gun is there only. We'll drop this here. Drop. And we'll take our stun gun. Otherwise, this fellow will come and eat us like hell.
Who? That Chotu.
Chotu, you die, man. You're dead.
In our school, they keep saying no, mom. Those Akkas will keep saying mom. For ma'am, remember? I was so sad. Okay, take your glass, Ishani. Okay, don't drink. Shresh, take.
I want to ride over it.
Shreyans,
Yeah.
hide under a bed. Lemonade break. Lemonade break.
She was about to drink with mask.
Oh, you.
This is not lemonade, this is sarsaparilla.
What?
What will you say for it?
Lemon juice.
Oh, this is not lemon juice. This is lemon juice with some other like
That's
syrup
syrup.
thing.
Yeah.
That is called sarsaparilla.
Where else it is? I don't know what it is.
Hey, we have to find so much, bro. We have to find.
This calcium hydroxide is something else.
What? What should we find? Hand wheel. I mean, boat hand wheel.
Yeah.
And hand wheel also, no?
Yes. Yes.
2 things only, no.
Lime and smoky inflammatory.
Who wants one more
I want.
glass?
Oh!
What happened? You died.
No.
Oh.
I got something waste.
Hey, Bartley. I mean, Matka, no?
Nah, matka. Bartley, what is that?
Bartley is, I think, something. दोस्ती
Granny.
दोस्ती है ये इसके साथ रिगार्डिंग चैनल से
Ayyo.
No. Go top.
Bro, one more glass.
Hey, does it not move back? Huh?
There are only 3 girls.
It's okay.
Hey, Bhargav.
Take. Hey, who will take? Hey, that's
Shreyas,
Ishan. Ishan.
ನಿಂಗೆ ಬೇಕಾ ನಂದ್ರ ಚೂರು
Take,
ಕುಡಿ
take, take. Okay, Kannada is their mother. We have a
Whoa,
new
whoa,
gang.
whoa.
Dead body.
ಅಪ್ಪ yeah boat steering wheel we got. We have boat keys, boat steering wheel.
We just need hand wheel, no?
No hand wheel we have. We only
Gasoline,
need gasoline.
Where do you think it will be? I think piece of picture if you
Are you going to cut all this or just show it? Huh? Is the mic on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lol.
Lol.
You thought it is off, huh? Then why are we talking to them?
Who is them? The 2 viewers?
No.
I could have opened it with the safe key. Now where did I keep the safe key?
Where?
Safety.
Oh yes. No. Hey, safe key, you put it inside that room. Under the... In that vent kind of thing.
Eh.
In that vent area.
Aha.
There you dropped it for crowbar.
How I'm walking. Whoa!
She's
lol,
there.
lol. She's there. She's coming.
Why are you saying lol? What that?
Drop this here only. Oi.
She'll come even faster.
How far you threw it?
Dun.
I'm
What
sure
area?
she is coming from the other way.
Yeah, taser. Life is set.
Hey, this is stun gun. There's something called taser also separately.
No, this is taser and stun.
Oh, I thought you had ammo. He did not even have ammo for the stun gun yet.
Even if he had ammo, I couldn't see the shoot button because his hand is covering it.
Ah?
Hey, Gudda. Booty.
Shit.
Go take the bullet.
Hey, wait. No. If you don't move, she won't see.
Yeah.
Don't take a reverse. I told her she took a reverse.
Come.
Why did you miss it? Why did you try to shoot from so far, bro?
You will always aim at the head. You won't aim down and up.
Bro, not so far.
Aim.
Yes.
Yeah, hard
That is the
shot.
first time we took it from the ball.
No.
I got
You'll die, huh? If you keep it like that only.
No,
No, you
nothing.
can't move though.
See,
Now, what is the
Rani
use of
headshot.
killing what is the...
Then we don't need anything else now, no? Done.
What escape helicopter?
No, boat. We finished helicopter, we finished door. Then we
No,
are going to
now
do-
what is-
Now it is boat. We finished helicopter, we finished door. means
Ah,
now
okay.
Boat only, no?
We did boat escape in my own. No?
Yeah.
Boat escape.
Next we are going to be playing with Granny and Grandpa. Ha.
Grandpa. Grandpa.
If Granny sits inside that and
We can do one more part of it.
what will you do? This thing. If you drop something inside, she'll go there and she'll check. No, she'll go there to put a trap. No.
Now we need gasoline. Gasoline we need and
That's all. Hey, this
Boat
key
key.
we have. We
And
have.
padlock
spark
key.
plug.
First thing we found itself is that only. Spark plug also we found. No. But you know where you kept it?
You put it in the wood.
Spark plug. I put it in the boat before.
We know where is that key, which is inside some shelf
Boat
or
key.
something. No. Boat
Ah,
key was
this is-
inside.
this
Yeah.
is-
She's right there.
Oh, that just glitched.
No, not so much. No, that was just funny to sound. I hear.
No.
Bro, take safe key and go.
Why safe key? If I have
To
padlock.
open the safe. Oh, we have everything, no? We just. What if gasoline is inside a safe?
Where is gasoline? I did not find it till now.
You searched everywhere in this
Yeah.
area.
Again.
Oh, bro, where can it possibly be? Okay, come on.
Well,
Hey, what if it is inside the clock?
What are you running?
Why are you running?
Why? Why are you running?
Hey, what if gasoline is inside the range area? You
Nah.
checked there?
No.
Then go check
Hey,
fast.
hey, go back.
No, that
Toilet
is boat key.
boat key.
I know.
Put it in the
Oh
boat.
yeah, no. Then that is spark plug.
Hey, that is boat key only, bro.
Yeah.
Then what it
Spark
goes? Spark
plug,
plug
they
you
already
put it
put
on
the-
the boat. Spark plug you put it on the boat.
Yeah. Hey, this is the best suitcase in the world.
That's not suitcase. That's a speaker.
I'll go for a tour with it.
This wheels also with it.
Hey guys, I'm going on a tour with my speaker boy.
No. This is suitcase with a speaker.
Inbuilt speaker.
I didn't see behind the.
Oh, granny,
How is
shake
it
it.
down?
I don't
Go
know.
under. Go under.
We don't have anything left.
Oh my god.
Hi.
So complex.
How?
How?
Hack.
She did not even. Hey, granny's hacking. Granny's hacking. Granny. Day four.
She is the complex pichada. Oh,
Hey.
one small.
Oh my god, glitter on your face.
No.
Hey, granny did scam with
Hey,
us.
wheel came out itself.
What scam?
Hey, Bhargav, wheel came. Fix that. How will you fix it?
Bro, there's boat key
Oh,
right there.
yeah.
And padlock key is there only.
Padlock key.
Now what is that called? Spark plug. What is that called?
Wheel, bro.
No. The key you left off there only blue color key.
Padlock key.
Yeah, padlock key only I told. You started laughing.
Padamaloki.
If I keep something open, no, she'll close. Back shot.
You're going top, huh? Then where are the other piece of pictures?
In the bathroom.
You checked inside the
In
area?
that
What
pet
was that?
area.
Nothing.
A piece of picture.
One piece of picture in the pet area.
The pet area. no.
You opened that also.
Which?
So this thing down into that area, into that prison you opened.
Yes,
right?
yes. Safety.
Prison also you open.
Yes, safe.
That's not safety.
What is that you check at least? No.
That is security key. I throw
Security key.
threw it there.
Brutiki.
Yeah, you fall
Security
inside.
Is she there?
Shotgun, huh?
This-
Hey, that is sort of.
No, that is
Hey,
shotgun.
2 bullets are there, bro.
So what? Kanker sort of same size type, no?
Ah.
And that it won't even kill you fully.
Safe key. We did not check, no?
Yeah, that's what even I am saying, bhai.
Lol.
Oh, bhai, मुझे मारो.
Wait, we'll make it to get stuck. No need.
Hey, granny will come now, don't waste time.
Can she climb this area, granny? Huh?
She can obviously.
Obviously.
OBS.
Obviously. Bade bhai.
Gasoline.
Yes, I
Gasoline.
told you to check it inside. A gasoline in a safe. I don't know who will keep it, but it is there. Only granny will keep gasoline inside a safe instead of money outside. Hey, don't.
It worked!
Yes, bro. We finished the game at last.
Gigi boy.
Gigi boy.
Fill
What
fast,
if
fill
granny
fast.
comes? What if granny comes?
She comes means over.
Gigi boy.
We should go take the shotgun fast.
Is it day 5?
Yeah, no, day 4.
I don't know.
Hey, start. Oh, padlock key you need, no?
Padlock key finished also.
No, only boat key.
Bro,
Don't come.
padlock key.
Don't come.
Boat
Don't
key is
come.
in the toilet, sandas. Wait.
Boom.
Boom. Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god.
Gas.
God.
I thought you told oh my gas.
Oh my god, that's a sambar.
Please, hey, if granny comes, that's all. This is the first time we are dead fully, no? Remember what happens if you die fully?
What will happen?
You will get stuck in the trap. Forever. By forever, I mean dead.
And granny.
Hey, granny also
Scam.
dead. Granny also dead.
Scam.
What?
Now wait, we'll kill her pet and also we'll go. We'll make Tata for both also. Ouch.
Pain da.
Yo.
Chotu.
Chotu bhai.
Chotu mobile.
Chotu.
Siyan's
Oh.
Chotu
Oh,
mobile.
Chotu.
Chotu.
Chotu. Sorry. Oh.
Sorable. Chotu mobile.
It's okay, leave. Why we
Let it sleep anyway. It's sleeping only, no?
Boat key and bye.
Alvida.
and this is my final tone.
No, for granny coffin dance. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, come on.
It's not shooting. Wait, I want it to
Dun,
stick.
dun, dun, dun.
It didn't stick.
Hey, don't.
Okay, tata, bye bye.
Yes.
Never.
Yes. See back. Yes.
Bye.
Bye, granny. Bye.
Chha, we should shoot her with this gun.
Bye, granny. Oh, the end. How did granny get up again after we killed her?
That is her glitch.
Okay. So we'll end this video right here. Yeah.
After so long, it's come.
Okay. Bye, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe
Bye,
and like.
Granny.
Bye.